Hello. Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Everyone, mark your attendance. Okay. I think in last class I had covered static indeterminacy for frame. Is it audible? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Aparna? Aparna Kumari? Aparna? Amrita? Hello. Umang? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Just wait. I think in last class I had discussed about degree of static indeterminacy for frame, and in frame I have discussed the shortcut how we determine ds for frame. Okay, I discuss all things. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. So my first question is from Umang. Umang, I have discussed ds is equal to 3c minus r dash I think here all
Yes,
things will
sir.
be written. Here all things will be written. So how you find DS for frame? Please explain from your side how we find DS for frame.
Sir, at first we see which type of frame, the support of the frame. We make them cantilever beam.
Okay.
Uh, the support we will make them fixed, and the amount of restraint required is to be added.
Okay.
After that, we will see is there is internal hinge present or not.
Okay.
Then we will, if there is present, uh, then we will uh,
Then
find then we will find for the and cut all the frame and make them
cut all
separate.
the frame or cut all the members of frame.
Sorry, members of the frame, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then
After that, we will count number of cut, that
okay.
is c is equal to number of cut here,
Okay.
and r dash is number of restraint required to make it rigid.
Okay.
After that, we will put ds is equal to 3c minus r.
Okay. 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 So DS is equal to 3C minus R dash is a case for 2D structures or plane frames.
Set 2D structure.
Okay. 2D structure means plane frame.
Yes,
Can I say
yes,
2D structure as plane frame? Okay. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay. 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 So I think I have discussed all the things. Static indeterminacy for frame, how we find. So Umang has said all things right. So first of all, we see our frame. So after seeing the frame, we see the external supports. If we see external supports are fixed support, then no problem. If external supports are hinge or roller or any other type of structure, then we fix them. So for fixing them, we require certain number of restraints or constraints. So we call them as restraint or we call them as restraint. So we count number of restraint or number of constraint which we required to make our all joints as rigid joint. Okay. So after doing that, we see our structure, we make our all joints as rigid joint. So in that fashion, if there is hinge structure, then we make this structure as fixed. So I think this is our first priority or first step. Then fixing our all the joints or all the supports, we think our structure or our joint as a tree. So first of all, we see all the roots of tree, and all the roots of tree must be our fixed root. That means our fixed support. Then we cut all the branches of our tree. That means we cut all the members of our frame. Then cutting the frame, we term is as C, and C is number of cuts to make our structure determinate. So we count number of C, then we apply our basic formula ds is equal to 3C minus r dash. After doing so, we find out ds for plane frame, and in same manner, if we found ds for 3D frame, we just put 6 in place of 3, and all remaining things are to be same. So I think I covered these things, and also I solve one or two problem, okay, on this. So let us I page it visual. Okay, just wait. I give you all certain problems. Okay, you all note down these problems and solve from your side. First question is first question is this. you all find so it is fixed support. Here I have a hinge support. Here I have an internal hinge. Okay, next I have here release member which release axial force and bending moment. So solve this problem. Find ds of this frame. ds of this frame. Okay, you all find ds of this frame. Dharmendra Kumar Yadav.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you say what is the name of this structure? Can you say?
सर प्रॉपरली क्लास नहीं कर पाए हैं इसलिए याद नहीं है सर, क्योंकि
Okay,
घर
okay.
में भैया का शादी है से प्रॉपरली क्लास नहीं कर पा रहे हैं किसी।
Okay, okay, okay. ठीक है, ठीक. Next, anyone? Umang, can you say what is the name of this structure?
Sir,
it's guided roller.
Vertically guided roller, sir.
No, this is not vertically guided roller because you all committed mistake here. If I add
Internal slider.
okay, internal slider, it is used to release shear force. This type of structure, if provided
sir.
in member, so from here
Yes,
we
sir.
release our shear force. This member is used for release our axial force. This is not roller because if it is roller, then I provide in this type of structure beneath it, but I do not provide. So this is not counted as, so this is not counted as your roller. So it is a release member portion, or it is a structure which is used in internal member, and it release axial force and bending moment. So you all solve this problem. I think this problem asked in your GATE or ESC examination. So you all solve. What is the ds of this structure? Can anyone find answer? What is ds comes out?
Sir, 5.
Okay, Nitish Kumar Saw saying, sir, ds comes out 5. Okay, so Nitish saying, sir, ds is equal to 5. One option is coming. I have a question of frame. Find ds of this frame, and first option is 5. So how many of you agree with Nitish's answer? Or any?
Sir, I am not sure, but my answer is 7.
Okay, your answer is 7. So okay, You also get another option 7. Any other?
सर यहाँ पे हम रिलीज रिलेशन को आरआर में ऐड करते हैं कि क्या करते हैं, वो एक कंफ्यूजन है सर, इसकी वजह से मेरा भी थोड़ा जो आंसर है वो सही है गलत हमको नहीं पता सर।
Okay, okay, okay.
7, sir.
Okay, okay, 7. 7 is already written here. Any other answer? No. So right answer is 6. Its right answer is ds is equal to 6. So see here, if you find ds of this type of frame, first of all, you find here release reaction in this case is equal to, here only shear is release. So this type of structure, if available in member, then only shear force released from the member. If this type of a structure is present in your member, then only axial force is released through your member. So also here release reaction is equal to 1. Also here release reaction is equal to 1 because m dash minus 1, m dash is equal to 2 because 2 member is adding minus 1. That means RR is equal to 1. Here RR is equal to release reaction is equal to, here generally this type of a structure, you all remember, generally in this type of a structure two things are released. One is axial force and another is bending moment. So from here two reactions are released. Here only one reactions are released. Here only one reactions are released. Here only one reactions are released. But here two reactions are released. So total release reaction is equal to 5. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That means 5. So release reaction is equal to here 5. Then we find ds. So first we cut all the members. Here we cut 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 the member. If you cut member here also, then you see this part will be separate out. So there is no any importance of this part will left. So we only cut at one place. Here we generally cut our frame at here, here, here and here. So total cut is equal to c is equal to 4. And also you see here your support is fixed. Here you also see your support is fixed. But here you see one resistance is required. So that means R dash is equal to 1. So apply your basic equations or basic formula. ds is equal to three c minus r dash minus rr, release reaction. So what we get, 3 into 4, 12 minus 1 and also minus 5. So 12 minus 6, we get 6. So here ds of this frame comes out to be 6. Okay. So remember this thing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Solve next problem from your side because I think this question is very easy. You all solve this question. Is it visual to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You solve this question. Example number 4, you solve from your side. Here the member is fixed. Here the member is also fixed. Here the member is also fixed. Here the member is also fixed. Only one internal hinge provided here. So you find DS. Very easy question. You all find DS for this frame.
Sir, DS is equal to 12, sir.
Okay. Okay. One of you find, sir, DS is equal to 12. Okay. Any other answer?
Yes, sir, 12, 12.
12, sir.
Okay. Okay. Good. Just check. Okay. DS is equal to 12. Here you all see DS is equal to 12. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Move towards next question. Okay. Solve this question. Solve this question. Solve this question. Oh, what is DS of this structure?
2, sir. Sir,
DS
2,
is,
sir.
DS is equal to 2.
2, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
I
sir.
think you apply one cut here. That means you apply your basic equation 3C minus R dash. Here you find hinges available here. So you apply one constant or one restraint here. So 1, 3 into 1. You all get answer 2. But here your answer comes out to be 2. You all see here your answer comes out to be 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Is it visible? Example number 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you solve this question. I think if you solve many problems, then you get better understanding of DS of frame. You solve this question.
So 16.
16, sir.
Okay,
16, sir.
okay, okay. Okay, okay. 16, you all get 16.
Yes.
Okay, okay. 16. Just wait. I think you all see here DS is equal to 16. Comes out DS is equal to 16. Yes, DS is equal to 16. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So I think you solved 3 to 4 problem, and you all doing a good job. Also solve this question. Solve this problem. I think within 1 minute you solve this type of questions, and these all questions are asked in different year of ES examination. That means engineering services examination. So you think if your concepts are clear, so you solve all questions of structure analysis. Whole structure analysis required only 2 hours for revisions, and nothing is more
Sir, 2.
complicated.
Sir,
Okay.
10, sir.
10 answer, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 10.
Okay, you all get sir
10.
answer. Okay, okay, good. Just check. You see, you all see DS is equal to 10. Very easily you all solve
Yes.
these type of questions. So I think 5 to 6 question you solve from your side very easily. Within 1 minute you all solve these type of questions. Let's move towards next question. Solve this question. Very good question. I think this question asked in ESE 2016. This question asked in ESE 2016. So do not make hurry.
थोड़ा ऊपर slide कीजिए.
Okay, okay. I make slide above. This question asked in ESE 2017. think 16 or 17. So do not get confused. Take your time
two.
and solve this question. Okay, I think someone get answer 2. Okay.
फोर सर
4, someone
फोर
get 2, someone get 4, someone get 2. Here you also see, here is also a support is given, here is also support is given, also here support is given. So do not count each at another member, because beneath it you see this type of structure or this type of marking will be shown. So treat this as your structure. Someone giving me answer, sir, ds is equal to 2.
2, sir.
I think he is right. So
सर टू यस सर
okay. So before solving this question, I repeated many times that do not make mistake. Take your time, solve this question, because questions are very easy. If you is in hurry, you committed mistake and you solve this question and get your answer as 4, 6, 2. So do not do mistake. Every questions of frame will do from your side, and you do not commit a mistake. Just remember this concept. What concept? I repeated once again. First you see your frame. On frame you just see external supports or external reactions. If external support are fixed, no problem, move forward. If external supports are hinge or roller, then you fix from your side. If you fix, then you apply certain reactions or certain reactant or certain constant from your side. You just count them and put a symbol r dash, and you, after counting, you get the number like numeric value. You put r dash is equal to 1, 2, 3 or so on. After that you just see your structure, means your structure is fixed. You see your structure as tree, cut all the branches. So after cutting the branch, you count number of C, that means number of cut. Also you see within members internal reactions are present or not, such that uh, in any member shear force is released, in any member axial force is released, in any member axial force and shear forces are released, in any member internal hinge is present or not. If they are present, so mark them as RR, that means release reaction. And for every internal hinge, I give you formula m dash minus 1 for 2D case. M dash is equal to number of member meeting. So and m dash is equal to number of member meeting minus 1. You get RR for internal hinge. RR is equal to 1 for shear release. RR is equal to 1 for axial release. RR is equal to 2 for, just keep in your mind, a symbol came like roller, it's seen like a roller. Just keep this in mind. A structure comes just like roller, but in roller, below roller, this type of structure is given. But if this structure comes in your member and this is not given, then it counted as member release forces, and it release your axial force and it release your also bending moment. So count RR is equal to 2 in this case, and solve all questions of your frame. No any problem will left with this concept if all solve this from your side. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
यस सर
So I think, okay. I think here you all see, you get ds is equal to 2 numbers. I think 2 or 3. You say, sir, ds is equal to 2. Some of you say, sir, ds is equal to 4. ds is equal to 4. After, when I say treat this as support, then you all say, sir, ds is equal to 2. ds is equal to 2. So here you also see ds is equal to 2. Okay. Move towards next question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Also, this is also good question. Solve from your side. Okay. To solve this question from your side. Example number 8.
11 सर
Sir, 11.
व्हील
Okay.
दिख नहीं रहा सर
Okay. I think no any girl is saying any answer. Amrita, Aparna,
सर
got-
आपका स्लाइड ऊपर नहीं हो रहा है सर.
just wait. Is it visual?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think someone said within a minute said DS is equal to 11. I want answer from girl side.
Yes, sir. 11 is the
Okay,
right
okay.
answer.
Okay. Aparna says DS is equal to 11. Amrita, what's your answer?
Yes, sir, 11. 11, sir.
Okay. Amrita, can you say how you calculate DS is equal to 11? Aparna,
Yes,
can
sir.
you how you find DS is equal to 11?
So here, since the frame is already fixed, so we don't need to add any constant. So R is equals to 0.
Okay.
And for making it cantilever, we need to make 4 cuts. That is C is equals to 4.
Okay.
And since there is one hinge, internal hinge, so we need to add one release reaction. So
Okay.
by the formula, 3 to 4 is equals to 12, and minus one release reaction is equals to 11.
Okay, good. Okay, just check. DS is equal to 11. You all get right answer. Sir, DS is equal to 11. Here you see DS is equal to 11. So I think 7 or 8 problem you solve within a minute. I think within 20 seconds you all made correct answer. So I think you all are master in static indeterminacy for beam. You all are master in static indeterminacy for frame. Just remember, I think I asked how you find. I think I asked from regular student, because if I choose someone who is unregular, then he said, sir, I have some work in my home or any other thing. So I think Amrita, can you say how you find DS for beam? I think you are regular. How you find DS for beam?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you explain? Can you explain how you find DS for beams? Solve this question. You all solve this question. And Amrita, you ask, I think I asked from you that how you find DS of beam. You explain how you find DS of beam and also solve this question. Many things are given, many more frames are given. Here one panel is added, here another panel is added, here another panel or another member is added. Here fixed support, here also fixed support, here fixed support, here you have hinge support. So find DS in this case. I think you easily solve this question.
Sir, 13.
Okay, someone getting answer as DS is equal to 13.
Yes, sir.
Okay, someone saying sir DS is equal
Sir,
to
sir, 12. Sir, sorry, sir, 12.
Sir 12, sir. 12, sir.
Sir, 12.
Sir, 12 will be the right answer.
okay.
DS will be
Yes, sir.
12.
Okay, I think
Sir,
okay. I think
sir, मेरा भी
everyone
12, sir.
Okay, no problem. So everyone agree with this answer? So DS is equal to 12
Yes, sir.
or any
Yes,
other
sir.
answer, or any other answer you got? DS is equal to 12. Okay. Check. Okay, see here, DS is equal to 12. You all see here, DS is equal to 12. So DS is equal to 12. So I think you all are master in frame. I see another problem. Okay, you solve this question. First, you see here, this is a space frame. This is a space frame. So carefully solve this question. This is a space frame clearly here in question. It is given. This is a space frame, not a plane frame. So solve carefully. What is the ds of this structure? What is the ds of this space frame?
सर 24.
Okay, someone guessing sir ds is equal to 24. Is any another answer? Is any another answer? Everyone got ds is equal to 24?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Just see what is the ds of this structure. I think ds is equal to 24. So right answer. I think someone.
सर अगर यही क्वेश्चन में अगर वर्टिकल लोड डाल दे तो क्या होगा सर?
Okay, okay. If vertical load is given in this question, then what you think about vertical loading? What will came change in these formulas? Can you have separate formula for this? Can you have separate formula for this, or can I say separate formula for this?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, okay. So do not bother. When method of structure analysis came, then I apply all the loads, UDL, point load, concentrated load, all loads I apply, and I have different methods. So there I see how we calculate. No any change comes in ds, so do not bother about sir if vertical load is given. I have already discussed in the case of beam if vertical loading or general loading condition will come. So I especially mentioned in beam if there is general loading case and if there is vertical loading case. If there is general loading case, then how you find ds for beam, and also for vertical loading case how your equilibrium equation will comes out to be only 2. You delete your horizontal reactions, and also in the case of beam how you calculate ds for vertical loading and general loading I already discussed. But in the case of
Sir,
frame, okay,
sir,
yes,
Amrita is in waiting room. She is asking for entry.
okay, just okay. So I think your doubt is clear. I think someone asking this doubt is sir if vertical loading or udl is giving how we do. So there is no any change in the case of frame, okay, or also there is no any change in the case of truss, because we already assume we applied all the forces adjoint in the case of truss. So when time came, you also seen that how we find different types of method for this type of structure. So here you just see, here you find ds equal to 24. That means 24 number of unknowns are available in this reaction. 24 numbers of unknown. For finding 24 numbers of unknown, you required minimum 48 page, because every page you need to solve for one reaction. That means every page required one, every reaction required minimum 2 page. So that means 24 reaction required minimum 48 page. So generally for frame, generally for beam, generally for truss, maximum limit of ds is equal to 2 to 3, because in method of structure analysis you see generally we do that structure ds calculation which ds comes out to be 2 to 3 only, because these cases are more complicated. If ds comes out to be 5, these cases are, if cases are come out to be 6, then it take more time.